We got the AEA SF Compact. Select fire. We're on safety. Our wheel is close to max. And we also got .4,000 PSI. And the regulator is nowhere close to that, which is pretty cool. We got a scope on there. Scope. We got the select fire switch right here. Bolt release. On this side, we can put this up to put the mag in. We got a folding stop. Folding stop. Nice scope. I don't think you guys can see in that hole, but yeah, nice scope. So my question is, which one would you get? Would you get the SF Compact 25, or would you get the M50 4500 caliber? PSI with the red dot sights. And this right here, the stock, I removed it. Yep, she's not cocked and loaded at all. This one is cocked and loaded, but it's on safety. It's definitely on safety. But yeah. Which one of these two would you buy? Or would you buy both of them? I like this one right here because it's a high caliber, short barrel. You know, only thing I don't like about this is not backyard friendly. This is very loud, so don't want to go shooting this outside or inside the house. This one, on the other hand, has little holes right around here to breathe, and it got baffles all through the shroud. Regulator, air tube, pressure gauge here, pressure gauge here. And this scope is just, yes. I just like to sit back and just take a good look at these sometimes. But I don't really shoot them like that. I just, like to make YouTube videos and bring you guys something new. But to make these videos, I just need some more subscribers. I'm trying to make it to 1,000. If you guys can help me make it to 1,000, I'll keep bringing you guys new products and new information. Also, I got something else, a little treat for you guys. Let's leave that there. I'm gonna keep that there while we go get this. Okay, which one is it? It's this one. Yep. So this is the treat for you guys. If, in fact, you get the M50, you get a chance to put a tube barrel on the front of there as an extension. So maybe one of these days I will put this on. Look how big this hole is, bro. No one can't tell me that this thing ain't powerful. This hole is humongous. And this, of course, go to this Airgun AEA HP Max. And this is my new hobby, you know. So I'm gonna be getting these anyway. This new tank, you see where it says M45 1.25T 310 bar. She's pretty hefty and thick. Got some weight to her. And when I put this on, I will do a video for you guys. I can actually get you this full barrel kit for a pretty good price. Look at that. Just imagine this here. Now this barrel, let's see. This barrel is slightly longer than the one that's here on SF. This is supposed to be a 13-inch. This tube should be somewhere around 330 cc's. So it's about the same length as this. So what you see here with this combo, you can turn this into this and make it look like this. Yeah. And I would like some a little answer about this. Would you take this and put it here? And should I take this and put it here? Give me some comments. I could fire one shot. Let me think. Should I or should I not? I don't like planking in the shop, so that's why you guys never seen me shoot, not one time, because I'm not like trying to be making all that noise in here. This is my tent shop here, so you know, I just do the videos here because I be at work and I can just record the videos and get it out the way. This is right here. Whenever you have a regulator, you will fill it up right here from the side. With this regulator, it actually has a screw-in port that you can screw it in. And yeah, I don't want to take this mag out because this is fully loaded. It is cocked all the way. It's cocked and it is on safety. So that means that if I pull this trigger, it won't shoot, but it is loaded. On the other hand, this M50, let's check and see. Yeah, M50 got the clip in, not loaded. See? But let's check the air inside of here. You see that? We got basically 4,500 pounds of pressure in there. And just to have the M50, well, may I say the M45 just sitting here like this, I would not have this cocked at all because of, you know, I wouldn't want this thing to go off or anything. But if this was decided to go off or anything, I wouldn't feel as bad as this one. But I don't think it'll go off or anything like that. But Always follow precautions, wear your safety glasses, wear your hearing protection, and happy planking. Hopefully you guys subscribe and drop some comments inside of the comment section. And basically, I will be doing a free giveaway. If you made it to this part of the video, I will be doing a free giveaway for this HP Max. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will pick and I will choose. It will definitely be a subscriber, and it will be some of the ones that was following in the beginning. Maybe, anywhere between 4 and 6, maybe 700. I will pick from one of you guys. Make sure you drop a comment so that way I have something to choose from. But this one, I will be giving away to a good person. I'll ship it out overnight. And I'll see you in the next one.